Hello, my name is Steve Felder, and my topic presentation is on Ahmed, get your gun. Why so many Pakistanis own guns. The most prevalent rifle in the world and in Pakistan is the AK-47. AK-47 means Automat Kalashnikov 1947. Automat means automatic. Mikhail Kalashnikov is the inventor of the AK-47 in 1947 in Russia. It is the most mass-produced rifle in the world, made now in China and Yugoslavia as well as Egypt and Pakistan. It's very easily maintained, parts are readily available, easy to find, cheap. It's very durable, it's extremely heavy because all of that is wood on there, which is extremely heavy. This gun can be dropped in water, in sand, and in mud, picked up and fired without any issues or problems in its operation. This is Mikhail Kalashnikov right here. He is the inventor and developer of the AK-47 in 1947. I find it ironic that the development of the AK-47 and the partition between India and Pakistan both happened in 1947. The ammunition used by the AK-47 is the most prevalent ammunition in the world. It's the most manufactured, it's easily found. It's the 7.62 by 39 millimeter round. This is an extremely deadly round. It is made in armor piercing, hollow point, as well as tracer. Easily found, very deadly. There are an estimated 20 million guns in Pakistan. That's both legal and illegal. Only 7 million of these guns are registered, which is the law in Pakistan. Private gun ownership is 11.6 to 100 per people. Pakistan ranks 6th in the world in gun ownership, but that only considers legal gun ownership. That estimation of 20 million could be much higher because it is not known exactly how many people own guns in Pakistan. The homicide rate in Pakistan is 7.3 per 100,000. In the US, it's 5 per 100,000. A gun license is required, but no background checks, written tests, or mental competency tests are performed before somebody can own or get a license for a gun. Open carry is prohibited. Shotguns and handguns are both permitted with license. There's a city in Pakistan called Dera Adam Kale. It is known as the black market for guns in Pakistan, as well as the Disneyland of guns in Pakistan. Gunsmiths here, which are gunsmiths by trade, usually self-taught, make knockoff AK-47s and MP5s. The MP5 is an American weapon. Guns are cheaper than smartphones in Pakistan. The MP5 goes for 7,000 rupees or $67 in Pakistan. AK-47 goes for 125 American dollars. In America, these guns, the AK-47 goes for anywhere from $600 to $1,200. Gun laws and regulations in Pakistan. Guns are regulated by the Prime Minister, the Minister of Defense Production, and the police. Gun ownership is not guaranteed by law. Fully automatic and semi-automatic rifles are prohibited, which is interesting because the AK-47, the most prevalent gun in Pakistan, is semi-automatic and can easily be converted into a fully automatic weapon. Handguns and shotguns are permitted by regulation, and citizens can possess as many firearms and ammunition that they want to. One of the most interesting parts about these laws and regulations is none of these are enforced by Pakistan authorities at all. So you can see open carry, people can own as many guns as they want, young, old, it doesn't matter. Gun regulations are not enforced. The uses of guns in Pakistan include, but are not limited to, security and protection, status symbols, which guns are like jewelry. Women wear jewelry, men carry guns. Celebration, firing guns into the air, which we know is very dangerous. Everything that goes up must come down. But they do this instead of fireworks. Hunting, terrorism organizations, and law enforcement. I find it interesting that terrorism organizations and law enforcement are right next to each other, since they kind of counteract each other. Thank you so much for listening to my presentation. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you learned a little something about Pakistan.